your jacket? Don't put that in your mouth, please. Where are my fucking keys? There's an apple. Very good! Seriously, where are my fucking keys at? Okay, I got the fucking keys. We need to put your shoes back on. Can you put the left one on, please? Yeah, let's just put the left one on. Let's put the left one on. Yep, let's put the left one on. Yeah. We're gonna be late to dance. Do you want to go to dance? Yeah. Okay, let's go to dance. That is a great spin. Now can you put your shoes back on? Let's put your shoes back on. Shoes back on. What are you pointing at? What are you pointing at? Yep, those are my boobs. Did you just throw Cheerios? Sure is getting green out. You know what else was green? That poop in your diaper this morning, that was green. We don't say naughty words, do we, darling? Yes, we don't. This fucking asshole. I love you, sweetheart. Oh, you're welcome. Move, idiot! I do not understand why we have to go 15 and a 35. 15 and a 35. Yeah, dance! Charlotte, I'm wearing my mom uniform. Yoga pants and an athletic jacket. No. What, baby? Yes, baby. I love animals too. Yes. Out of the way, this nasty ass cat. Oh my God, Charlotte, we made it in time. It's a miracle. I can't fucking believe it. Time to act normal. Oh